Good morning, student. Now, today we continue chapter number 9, Force and Laws of Motion. Last time we discussed about different type of the activities, number 9.1, 2 and 3, based on inertia and mass. So, we start inertia and mass. What do you mean by inertia of an object and mass? Mass, you know that. Right? And when an object at rest or in motion, we apply an unbalanced force act on it, then it can be changed its position. So we apply an unbalanced force. Unbalanced force is required to change the position which comes to motion or at the rest. So inertia in measures of mass and mass in measures of inertia. So define inertia. Inertia is the natural tendency of an object to resist a change in its state of motion. Change in state of motion means or rest, moving with uniform velocity or at rest. The mass of an object is a measure of its inertia. The mass of an object is a measure of its inertia, and inertia of an object is the measure of its mass. So, by inertia of an object is measured by its mass. Now, by using this definition of inertia and mass, we discuss about second law of motion. What is second law of motion? Now, you know about first law. Second law of motion. You know first law. First law means when an object, right, it rests or in motion, it requires external unbalanced force on it. Now, suppose when a truck is parked in rest position, right, or it moving by side the roads. So, a truck at rest does not require any attention when a park along the road, but a moving truck, even at speed and low, right, is required, right, attention to the person, otherwise may kill a person standing its path. So exists some by important one quantity, right, other one quantity with related with mass and velocity. So in second law we discuss about momentum. What is momentum? Momentum means the product of mass multiplied by velocity. Symbolically, actually momentum is denoted by P. Mass is m, velocity is v. P is equal to mv. Momentum of an object, right, is product of mass and velocity. Now, in momentum, you know that velocity. What is velocity? Velocity is a vector quantity. In velocity, a particular direction is given. So, momentum is also a particular direction with velocity. So, it is also a vector quantity. Now, what is the unit of momentum? You know, SI unit. SI unit of momentum. SI unit of mass. Mass, you know that, measure in kilogram. And velocity is measured in mass in kilogram. Velocity in meter per second, right? So, kilogram means kg, right? Meter per second. This is the unit of, otherwise kg ms minus. This is the SI unit of momentum, correct? Now a change in the velocity of an object is therefore clear from the produce a change in momentum. By using second law of motion, state that what is the second law of motion? Now, second law of motion state that statement the rate of change in momentum of an object, the rate of change in an object, the rate of change in an object is proportional to its applied unbalanced force, proportional to its applied unbalanced force on it. Right? So, statement the rate of change in an object is proportional to its applied unbalanced force on it. So, today you understand about mass, inertia, second law of momentum, motion, momentum equal to mass into velocity, unit of momentum, and state the second law. The rate of change in an object is proportional to change of an object, the rate of change in momentum, change of momentum. If in an object is proportional to, means P is proportional to F, correct? And then we can discuss about its mathematical form next period. So today you write the law, second law of motion.